The seal pup. A seal pup was on the sand. It has no mother, said Chip. Perhaps the mother is getting food, said Mum. But what if the pup is lost? Asked Biff. Let's wait to see if the mother comes back, said Dad. But the mother did not come back. So, in the end, Dad sent for help. At last the seal rescue team came. Mr. S. Hill looked at the seal pup. We must get him into the boat, she said. Mrs. Hill and her team got the seal pup into the boat. He is not well, said Mrs. Hill. He needs food. The children went to see the seal. They called him Sinbad. He is a lot better, said Mrs. Hill. I am glad you called us. The children went back to see Sinbad. He was big and fit. Now, he can go back in the sea, said Mrs. Hill. We can let him go at last, said Mrs. Hill. They took the seal out in a boat. Sinbad went in with a splash. Look at Sinbad, said Kipper. He's saying goodbye.